Welcome back to BNCRC, ladies and gentlemen. Got a little unboxing. Well, god damn, that's a big box. There's words you never use on a first date. You can always count on your old buddy Charlie at BNC for free life tips. Got a big old box here. Pair of scissors to open it with. It sucked. I don't know why I didn't get a better tool in here after last time. Let me take this out so you can understand what the fuck I'm saying. About this time last week, if you tuned in, I was unboxing the Axial, the early Bronco SCX-10 3 or XCX-10, whatever they call it now. Bought that because it was on sale. When I was in the hobby shop, I was kind of on a mission to get that specific truck because I had heard about the price and I thought for sure they'd be sold out of it. So I beelined it in there, bought that motherfucker, and I walked out. Then that night, I was on the hobby shop's website, and I noticed that Horizon had some other stuff in that same sale. And I realized that they had something else in there that I had had my eyes on for a while. It was in that sale. And I had almost pulled the trigger on this before it was on sale. Oh, come on. I don't know, they had 40 or 60 bucks off or 80 bucks or whatever it was. It was $139.99 for the Losi 22S short course truck. I found out about that and I knew that I had seen a couple of them in there when I picked up that Bronco. So I figured I better get my ass right back down here and get one of them the following day. I stopped by in the middle of the day, sold out. And the spiteful son of a bitch that I am, since they were sold out, I went home. And I got on Horizon's website, and they were not sold out. Come on, fucker. Come out of there. So I ordered two of them sons of bitches for $139.99 a piece. They're supposed to be the different colors. They had two different colors, and I figured I'd just get one of each because I'm a fucking moron. Okay, this one says it's the other one. So now I got two. How the fuck do you do two unboxings at once? Ay, ay, ay. I could be here all fucking night. The camera would probably go dead and have to do it all over again. Come on. I really got to get a better fucking tool in here. I think I could cut it open faster with my fucking pipe. I'm frozen because I just sat through 2 hours of a fucking boring baseball game in the freezing cold. Oh, that's pretty. If I was only going to get one, the yellow one was the one I was going to get. I just really don't like the looks of the other one that much, which doesn't go far in explaining why I ordered both of them. I guess because I'm a moron. We can get back to that. There's your radio. I'll actually open the radio on this one. I didn't do it last time. Nothing like trying to hurry with frozen fingers. Fucking awesome. Okay. Still looks like the same old Spectrum. STX2. I didn't look on the box to see if it has that smart technology or that vehicle stability bullshit. It's got the bottom load battery tray, like the 22ST that I opened a long fucking time ago. Oh my god, my cardboard problem is getting out of control here. Alright, I'm going to put this one down here for now. Okay, there's your radio. By the way, these are on sale, 139 bucks, which is unbelievable, and it has been my experience that every time Horizon has a sale like this, whatever they're selling, you can plan on it being discontinued next week, which means parts might be a bitch for a while, or after the longer you go, the more impossible we'll get to find shit. Pretty good looking chassis. I don't like the bottom load battery, but I don't remember having any major issues with it. Yeah, I really don't like that. It's got a couple metal plates. It's all familiar. It's the same as a stadium truck. Ooh, she's stiff. It'd be cold. Really stiff. I can't really do the drop test because I'm on a glass showcase. I really don't want to break that motherfucker. I don't care if I break it. I just don't want to replace it, I guess. The proper way to say it. It's all plastic. It's a brush 12 turn. I'm hoping it's competitive with a stock Traxxas Slash because them oval cars that we're running are mud boss cars are based on a stock 2-wheel drive Traxxas Slash. And I'm thinking I could put one of them bodies right on this car here, maybe. We'll see. Well, let's get the other one out of the box and see what that looks like. I wanted this one, so I thought it was way better looking online. Sometimes they surprise me, though. Hurrying. Kind of threw me off because they're both in the same box. I thought they fucked me and sent me two of the same color. Alright, I really got to get a better tool here. This sucks. I think after all these years of unboxing videos, I'd get better at it by now. But motherfucker, it might be hopeless. Okay, that's a different one. Huh. I like that better in person than I thought I would. There's double A's for the radio. Should I open the radio? I don't think so. We'll just throw that over there for now. The zip ties were broken on that first one. This one's still in the box. Dirty motherfuckers. I didn't even know where to go with all this cardboard. Somebody call 911. I'm going to need someone to throw me a rope to get me out of this fucking mess this time. There it is. That's the other one. Same goddamn thing. I don't hate the way that one looks either. I think I do like the yellow one a little better. Maybe next time Landon's here, we'll get some footage of running these two against each other. I know which one will be faster, the one I'm driving. I guess that's it. We'll see. 22 short course trucks. Can't wait to see how they handle. I've always liked their short course platforms. I'm out. Bye bye. Try not to break my fucking neck. Man, I hope that's not raining out here. I was all done. I was packing up, going up to the house, and I had a change of heart. I blasted through that like I'm just showing off. Oh, look at me. I'm an asshole. I bought 2 new short course trucks again. I didn't go through any of the information, really. Everything on these trucks is plastic, except for the 2 plates in the chassis, which that stiffens it up where it needs to, I reckon. I'm not sure how I feel about that battery tray. The door is a little short, but there is room for a full-size LiPo up in there. They call it dynamite stuff. That's definitely a hobby wing unit. I'm pretty confident. Brushed, it's probably a 40 amp. Could be a 60 amp. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the stats on it. It's just dynamite 12-turn can motor. Probably the same as a Titan. Maybe not. I've got a couple of 12-turn Traxxas setups that I've taken out of cars lately that maybe I'll swap one of them into this to see how the performance is once I have the timing set up on my oval track. That'll give us a little bit of idea which one runs a little hotter. All the links are just solid plastic, nothing adjustable. Snap-on clips for shock spacers. It is captured ends, it's not ball cups, thank God, because it's one of my biggest pet peeves is in fucking ball cups that seem to pop off easy and pop back on hard and get easier as it goes. That's the biggest problem I've had with a lot of rigs. Actually, it looks like it might have CV axles and not just dog bones in it, from the looks of it. And the tires, they don't feel great, but what do you want for kind of an entry-level rig like this? It is based on a Losi 22. I've got a 22 5.0, and I don't see a whole fuck of a lot of this that reminds me of that. They're completely different animals. But it'll probably handle pretty good. I'm sure there's upgrades out there so you can make it all adjustable, which I may do if I get serious about these trucks. I've always liked this brand. We'll see how the parts availability is now that I own two of something that's discontinued again, because I never fucking learned. What else can we talk about? The A-arms look like standard fare. The rear ones look, I won't say weak, but doesn't look like there's a hell of a lot of material there. As long as they're a little bendy, they'll be okay. Pretty good looking bumpers front and rear, and they got a little squish to them. They'll probably do their job. Body mount, pretty rubbery, should be good, both of them. Body mounts are separate from the shock towers, I like that. I don't know, I just figured I'd drop back in and give you guys a little bit of details on these in case you were looking at them. I've been looking at them a long time. I think the high price was $229 and they were on sale for $189 for a while, and I goddamn near grabbed one then. I couldn't pass them up when they made them $140, so look for a running video from me pretty shortly. Huh. Them tires are a little weird. That center tread that sticks up, it actually grabs your finger when you slide it across it. They might grip like a bastard. I'll let you know. That's it. I'm really going this time. I'm fucking done. I've had enough of you guys. Bye-bye.